In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Sound. Now tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Following that, click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to switch them on or off. And last but not least, click on this one next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!